Hi, welcome to your online English. My name is Bojana and I am an English teacher from Belgrade, Serbia, but I also teach online, so please contact me. This is my phone number, +381 6289 50866, or send me an email, Bojana Basta Damjanović, that's my name, @gmail.com. This is your third free English class, and today we will learn the verb to be, okay? Present simple tense of the verb to be. For example, I am a teacher. I am Bojana. Okay? I am a teacher. I am not, a driver. I am a teacher. Okay? Are you a teacher? Are you a driver? Are you a cook? What's your job? Okay? You are a driver. You are a teacher. You are a bus driver. Okay? I am, you are. You are not a teacher. You are not a bus driver. You are a dancer. Okay. She or he. She, my mother. He, my father. Is. She is a nurse. She is a dentist. He is a doctor. He is a taxi driver. Okay? So I am, you are, she is, he is, and it is. Okay. Negative, add not. I'm not. You are not. He is not. Okay? For plural, we, you, and they always use are. Okay? We are friends. You are my students. They are American. Okay? Plural, are. Singular, I am, you are, she is, he is. Okay? For negative, add not. We are not friends. You are not my teacher. They are not your students. Good. Asking questions, change the word order, okay? Are you a teacher? Are you my student? Okay, thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.